Over the past few weeks, we've been highlighting different parts of the Fleurieu. We challenge you to explore this spectacular region during winter and just see how different it is between the seasons.
Which brings me to Goolwa. Now, I'm not here for the beautiful boats and the water. I'm having drinks and nibbles, about to do a cooking class with Anita.
I'm actually trained in Switzerland and I'm a professional cooking teacher from Switzerland. And I do cooking classes here at the Fleury Peninsula, customized cooking classes, whatever people want, but also fixed classes, set classes like bread making, desserts, fine dining, whatever you want.
The Winter Cooking Masterclass for cheese lovers runs over an afternoon and will step you through the art of creating cheese-based dishes. Think gratins and quiche. Yum.
I tell you what, this is so fun. You get the recipes to take home with you. And Anita, you make me want to be a better chef. Am I a chef?
Well, I think you're close, yeah.
I'm definitely trying to be a chef, but this is really fun. And the best part is we get to eat it all after.
This is one of the funnest experiences to do with a group of friends, or do it solo and you'll meet new people.
This is so special. You end this experience by the fire. We've got fondue, we've got little plates, we've got wine, we've made friends. This has been the best afternoon ever. And now I get to eat my fondue. Oh my goodness. Yum!
Classes are open to book now and there's plenty to choose from, so head online and discover for yourself.